is because it is not stick to a specific domain. It is for all the people, right? Clear those sessions and doubts in the Q&A sessions, which are leverage for us.
Hi, Sanchit. Welcome. It's such a pleasure to have you here today. Before we begin, how are you feeling?
I am feeling good. How about you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much for asking. Today, we want to go beyond just the outcomes. We want to explore your full journey, like where you started, what pushed you, how you learned, what you applied, and ultimately what transformed you. Okay.
Correct.
So, for people who don't know you, can you please introduce about yourself?
About myself, so I have overall of 10 years of experience in IT industry. So I have started my journey from 2015 in IT background, and I worked in various companies including in finance background, fintech background, in insurance domain, and apart from that, I worked in uh, like payment engines also. So there are various domains where I have worked on, and it's been overall of like 10 years of experience till now, and it's been a great journey. And apart from that, regarding the technology wise, like I am a tech person, and mainly working in various domains where I can enrich my experience. I worked in, you can say, car industry also down the line. And so, in short, I have like overall of mixture of various domains where I can leverage my understanding. And being in a tech background, there are certain challenges like we have to upgrade every time. And to incorporate that, certainly as of now, we can see that AI is leveraging a lot, and with those challenges to incorporate and to like had an advantage on top of others. So like I got to have a chance in the as a part of the AI journey. So till now it's been a great journey, and I'm learning a lot, and applying those things practically in my current curriculum, where I can have those in the practical like practical challenges what we used to do manually, those we can incorporate. And it's like a bubble, right? Like the AI can replace humans, but down the line 10 years maybe, I don't know, but as of now it is leveraging our work, and we can utilize that capability to be more productive. So that is what the aim right now, and through this I'm having a very confident journey ahead.
Can I know how did you hear about this masterclass? Like, was it through someone or some ad or any community?
Yeah, so mainly I I will be frank about, like, mostly on YouTube I got certain pop-ups many times. So somehow I decided, okay, to be a part of like just to introductory session, like what is all about, and to be a part of 3 hours workshop. And there I got a introductory session, like what we can leverage with the AI and how we can communicate with them. So therefore I decided to be a part of this journey and to have what we can use. And yeah.
Right. So once you have joined the session, what were your first impression of the learning environment and structure?
So, see, at the starting, it was like normal. We were doing normal things, which was like I was feeling that it was quite normal things where we can learn by our own, right? But going further with the deep dive and learning such other capabilities, I got to know that it is quite helpful for us, which we can't, you can say, find on public domain. So it is quite systematic, and everything is updated to us. So in that way, it is quite helpful. Yeah.
Okay. So were you able to be consistently attending the live sessions? If you were able to attend the live sessions consistently, what helped you to stay regular?
So, see, the idea is to learn new things. That is what the consistency is all about, and that is what motivated me to be a part of attending the live sessions. And if somehow, by due to some family emergency or something, if I was unable to attend the session, then in that case, we have the recorded sessions and we can go through it. We have separate Q&A sessions there. We can have leverage to ask the doubts and clear the things out. Yes.
Okay. So what
Yeah.
specific goal did you set for yourself while going through the masterclass?
Uh, can you come again? What your code part, right?
Goal. Like initially, what was your goal for enrolling to this masterclass?
So my goal is very simple, that whatever work I'm doing right now, right? So that has not to be only just I need to stuck to the technical part. Mainly I joined the classes for the financial planning because that was quite attractive, because that is something challenges what we face. So I joined that part too also, in that program also I was enrolled. and to be like whatever day-to-day work, like technical things we are doing, and to have upper hand in the knowing of the AI with the all tools what we can use for the best uh, like task which is provided to us, because nowadays um, only doing the coding is not specific, right? Like apart from that coding, there are many things like management, like doing other stuff. So what motivated me to join this program is because it is not stick to a specific domain. It is for all the people, right? They're out in different domains. So that is something which I find helpful, and we can use in like in my other journey also coming days, right?
So now let's celebrate. Now let everyone know like what was the achievement and milestone you have finally reached.
So basically, there are many more achievements like I will be reaching going forward. But as of now, uh, I have used my capabilities of AI where I can generate the code. I can generate Python scripts. I can generate, you can say, analysis with the Claude, and I can do stock markets analysis with my Claude AI. And apart from that, in technicals, I can generate technical script where I can generate my design diagrams by the help of this AI. So it's like it is not specific to a particular domain where I can leverage my you can say the usage. It's all about how fast I can be productive and utilizing those things in my day-to-day work and my office work also.
Okay.
So that is something is helping me, and there is a lot of journey pending. So it is like it will be very helpful going forward. Maybe more I will be leveraging on that part. Yeah.
Also, tell us how did the masterclass community or instructors support you during this process?
So so the various that like the style of delivering the lectures here are quite different. So maybe at the starting I feel that it is like what monotonous because it was one way interaction, right? So and I understand the reason because there are a lot of thousands of people joining in classes, and there can be a chance that everyone asks a different sort of questions. So the outcome or the productivity of the session where the lecturer wants to deliver something which won't be able to possible in that quite state of time. So that is something I'm now used to it, because after attending so many of lectures, that is something it is like used to. And meanwhile, like if we have some questions, we put in the chat box, but the person will get that time, then he will reply. Otherwise, we can clear those sessions and doubts in the Q&A sessions, which are leverage for us if we have any sort of doubts. And apart from that, the support team is also quite helpful. We can anytime message and they will be available for us, and any sort of doubts can be cleared at any time. So that is quite helpful.
So now, what would you say to someone who is on the fence about joining this masterclass?
So, see, I will frankly say if someone want to join this master class, so first of all, you have to have the hunger of learning something new, and to make it leverage to your day-to-day work, what you are doing apart from your technical work or whatever domain you're working on right now. It can leverage uh, to n number of activities where you're working like quite slow and doing manual sort of work. It can automate to a certain extent. So that is something which you can do, and apart from that, you will get a direction like where things can be right and things can be wrong. So that is also something which AI helped me a lot, like getting the direction. Okay, if I'm following a certain path with certain conditions, so if that is good or not, so those things also help me a lot. So if someone want to join, then only they can join if they want to learn something new, and it is they should not be sticking to a particular domain. If they want to overall learning, then they can have that leverage to join.
So, Sanchit, your story is genuinely inspiring. Thank you for opening up and sharing your experience so honestly. Let's wrap it up with the one last question. What's next for you? Like now you have hit this milestone. What are you excited to build on or chase next?
So, frankly speaking, see, the technology industry and every industry is evolving around through AI. So, I won't think I have hit the milestone. It is long way journey to go because every day is a new learning for me. So, that is the reason I will say I am a learner right now, and I will be a learner in future also. And apart from that, I am also quite keen in financial planning and to learn in that journey also. So, that is also inspiring me to be a part of the future perspective. Yes.
Thank you once again, Sanchit. We are so proud to have been part of your journey, and we know your story will motivate others to take that leap. Thank you.
Sure. Sure. Yeah. Thanks.